Hi guys! Get ready with me habang sinasagot ko yung pinaka-common na tanong sa akin ng mga kamamshis ko at lalo ng mga kaibigan ko. Bakit ka nga ba walang stretch marks? But first of all, I just wanna say, stretch marks are normal. Hindi sila yung something na dapat nating ikahiya. They're actually a reminder na nag-grow tayo at nag-expand tayo at nagdala tayo ng isang buong human being sa tummy natin. And that is very beautiful. Pero syempre, gets ko rin yung curiosity. To be honest, hindi ko rin sure kung bakit wala talaga akong stretch marks. Pero as far as I can remember, nung nabuntis po ako, I always use bio oil every night. Ginagamit ko yun kasi para ma-moisturize ang tummy ko kasi nga pag nag-i-stretch siya, may tendency talaga na magdadry yung skin mo. So feeling ko kahit papaano nakakatulong siya to keep my skin hydrated. Pero moms, real talk lang ha, just to be honest, I think malaki rin talaga yung factor ng genes. Kasi yung mama ko, 3 kaming magkakapatid, pero may stretch marks naman yung mama ko pero parang hindi rin siya halata. Tapos yung ate ko naman, may isang daughter siya, may stretch marks naman siya pero naglighten na din so hindi rin siya halata. So minsan talaga it's just how our skin naturally reacts. And I just want to say to all the moms out there and soon to be moms or to all the people that has stretch marks, it's okay. That's okay. Hindi siya flaw. Hindi siya dapat itago. Stretch marks is part of our story. Actually, minsan, sila pa nga yung nagpapa-unique sa journey natin bilang moms. So, sa mga momshies or soon-to-be moms na worried about sa stretch marks, try nyo din mag-moisturize every night. Pwede kayong gumamit ng bio oil or cocoa butter or kahit anong oil or kahit anong lotion para ma-hydrate yung tiyan nyo. But please, 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 don't pressure yourself. Your body just did something incredible. Kaya mo yan, mama. You're still beautiful with or without stretch marks. Hindi ko man nakikita yung stretch marks sa katawan ko, pero naramdaman ko yung pagbabago. And that's totally fine. Lahat po tayo dumaan sa adjusting phase. Hindi po kailangan perfect ang katawan para maging good mom. Actually, wala namang perfect body after baby. Just real, strong, and beautiful moms doing their best. Hindi ka less beautiful dahil nagbago na yung skin mo. You just became a mom. Mas powerful ka ngayon. Minsan kasi moms, society makes us feel na kailangan mawala agad lahat. Stretch marks, tummy, weight, and etc. But to be honest, hindi yun realistic and that's okay. Sa lahat ng momshies watching this, I hope you're proud of yourself. Hindi madali maging nanay, pero look at you still showing up every day. And at the end of the day, stretch marks or no stretch marks, ang importante is yung baby mo at yung family mo. And remember moms, your body didn't fail you. Your body created a human being alive. And that's something to be proud of forever. So yun lang mga momshies. Bye!